Ready na ako, papunta na sa Congress for the morning session. Ready to listen to Speaker Martin Romualdez's remarks. And I just want to state for the record that that was in no way a planned action on my part. That was the most difficult moment in my 5 years in Congress. Tinanong ako ng isang tanong, I just had to say the truth. Nakabase sa liquidation report. At kitang-kita nyo naman, doon po sa nakakita na po ng notice of disallowance na ginamit po siya from December 21 to 31 at pagbilangin po natin ang mga araw na yan mula 21 hanggang 31 ay indeed 11 days. So yun lang po, I just want to state that on record that on my part, simula nung moment na yon ay naging napakahirap ng buhay ko. No rational human being would ever want to plan her life that way. So there's absolutely no way that that can be planned on my part. Just further.
Hi! Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang aming kusina. Ito, yan. LV ang aming ito dyan. At hindi lang isa dyan. Zay! Tulungan mo ang LV na trapudzay. Hi! Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang aming kusina. Ito, yan. LV ang mo ang trapudzay.